start with chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable. So let us start with the introduction and exercise 2.1, question number 1. So let's begin. So let us start with the introduction of chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable. So what does it mean? If there is only one variable in the equation, then it is called linear equation in one variable. अगर आपकी किसी इक्वेशन में सिर्फ एक वेरिएबल है, that is called linear equation in one variable. What is linear expression? Linear expression is an expression where the highest power of the variable is 1. अगर आपकी किसी वेरिएबल की highest power 1 है, it is called linear expression. The general form of linear equation is ax plus b is equal to c, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Let us take one example. 3x minus 4 is equal to 5. So what is an equation? Equation means where both LHS and RHS are equal and it is denoted by this equal to sign. This is an equation. So 3x minus 4 is equal to 5. What is the variable here? X is the variable. Variable value is not fixed. It may vary. It can be any alphabet from A to Z. So X is the variable. So जिस variable के आगे आपका कोई number है, that is called as coefficient. What is it called? Coefficient. So here 3x, 4 and 5. These are the terms. Terms are being separated by the operator. So here 3x and 4 are the two terms. They are separated by the operator, that is minus. And here constant. Constant is 4 and 5 whose value is fixed. Numeric value जिसकी fixed है, that is called as constant. And what is an expression? Here 3x minus 4 is an expression. So students, keep in mind, these are called linear equations in one variable because the highest degree of the variable is 1. Highest degree of the variable is 1 and there is only one variable, that is x. So now let us learn what are the methods to solve a linear equation. First method, balancing method, and the second method is transposing method. Let us solve this example through both the methods. Find the solution for 2x minus 4 is equal to 6. It is an equation, as here you can see we have the equality sign. 2x minus 4 is in left hand side and 6 is on right hand side. So let us solve this first by balancing method. So first we will write 2x minus 4 is equal to 6. We have here minus 4. First step is to remove this minus 4. So we are adding 4 both the sides. So right here 2x minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 4. In the first step what we have done? Adding 4 both sides. Both the sides we have added 4. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel. So it is 2x is equal to 10. So here we have variable x. But in front of x we have the coefficient 2. We have to remove that 2. So we will divide 2 both sides. So divide 2 both the sides. 2x upon 2 is equal to 10 upon 2. So what we have done here? Dividing 2 both sides. Both sides. So 2 cancel. 2 5s are 10. The value of x is coming here 5. How to check whether your answer is correct or not? Just substitute the value of x in the given equation. 2x minus 4 is equal to 6. 2 into 5, that is 10. 10 minus 4, 6. So 6 is equal to 6. Hence it is verified. Now let us solve this by transposing method. Transposing method right here, 2x minus 4 is equal to 6. Students, in transposing method, first you have to see here we have constant, you will transpose minus 4 from left side to right side. Minus will become plus, plus becomes minus. So right here 2x is equal to 6 plus 4. 2x is equal to 10. So now in this step, you have left hand side multiply 2 into x. If multiply goes to the right side, it will become divide. So when it goes here, it will be divide. So x is equal to 10 upon 2. The value of x is coming 5. So we have solved this equation by both the methods, balancing method and transposing method. So now let us start with exercise 2.1 from the Maths NCERT book. Question number 1. Solve the following equations. We can solve these equations by any of the two methods, balancing method or transposing method. So let us solve through transposing method. First part, x minus 2 is equal to 7. So first we have to write down the equation. X minus 2 is equal to 7. In transposing method, we have to transpose or transfer the variable or constant. So here minus 2 will go to the right side, it will become plus 2. So right here x is equal to 7 plus 2. The value of x is 9. So how to check whether your answer is correct or not? Substitute the value. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7. LHS and RHS both are equal, hence verified. Second part, y plus 3 is equal to 10. First step, you will write down the equation. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. Now we will transfer 3 to the right side. Plus will become minus. So right here, y is equal to 10 minus 3. Value of y is 7. So let us check by putting the value. Y 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 is equal to 10. LHS, RHS, both the sides are equal, hence verified. Third part, 6 is equal to z plus 2. So here 6 constant is towards left side. We will transpose 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to z. 4 is equal to z. Value of z is 4. Now let us check by substituting the value. So here 6 is equal to z plus 2. 4 plus 2. 6 is equal to 6, hence verified. Fourth part, 3 upon 7 plus x is equal to 17 upon 7. So here variable will remain to the left side. We will transpose 3 upon 7 to the right side. 17 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7. Denominators are same. Subtract the numerators. 17 minus 3. So right here x is equal to 17 minus 3 upon 7. X is equal to 14 upon 7. X value is coming here 2. Fifth part, 6x is equal to 12. We have to transpose 6 to the right side. Whenever we have left side multiply, if multiply goes to the right, it becomes divide. So right here, x is equal to 12 upon 6. 6 2s are 12. The value of x is 2. Let us check. So right here, check. 6x. 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. 12 is equal to 12. Hence verified. Sixth part, t upon 5 is equal to 10. So here we can do 10 upon 1. Cross multiply. Value of t is 5 into 10. T is equal to 50. Let us check. So right here, check. T upon 5. 50 upon 5 is equal to 10. 5 tens are. So 10 is equal to 10. Hence verified. Seventh part, 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. So right here, cross multiply. 18 upon 1. 2x is equal to 3 into 18. X is equal to 3 into 18 upon 2. 2 nines are 18. Value of x is 27. So let us check by substituting the value of x 27. 2 into 27 upon 3 is equal to 18. 3 9s are 27, 2 9s are 18. 18 is equal to 18. Hence verify. 8 part 1.6 is equal to y upon 1.5. So let us do cross multiply. So right here y is equal to 1.6 into 1.5. Value of y is coming 2.4. So check. Substitute the value. 1.6 is equal to 2.4 upon 1.5. Point cancel. So it is coming 1.6 and 1.6. Hence verify. Ninth part 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. So first we will transpose minus 9 to the right. It will become plus. So right here 7x is equal to 16 plus 9. 7x is equal to 25. So now we will transpose 7 to the right. It will divide. So value of x is 25 upon 7. So let us check. Substitute the value. 7 into 25 upon 7 minus 9 is equal to 16. 7 cancel. 25 minus 9. 16 is equal to 16. Hence verify. 10th part 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. So transpose minus 8 to the right. It will become plus. 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. 14y is equal to 21. Y is equal to 21 upon 14. 7 3s are 7 2s are. Value of y is 3 upon 2. So now let us substitute the value and check. So right here check. 14y. 14 into 3 upon 2 minus 8 is equal to 13. 2 7s are 14. 21 minus 8 is equal to 13. 13 is equal to 13. Hence verify. 11th part 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. So right here 6p we will transpose 17 to the right side as it is constant. 9 minus 17. 6p is equal to 9 minus 17 minus 8. So p is equal to minus 8 upon 6. 2 4s are 2 3s are. Value of p is minus 4 upon 3. So now let us check. 17 plus 6 into minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 9. 3 2s are 6 plus minus minus. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. 9 is equal to 9. Hence verify. 12th part x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. So we will transpose plus 1 to the right side. X upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 15 minus 1 upon 1. X upon 3 is equal to, LCM we have 15. 7 minus 1 into 15. So 7 minus 15. X upon 3 is equal to minus 8 upon 15. Cross multiply. So x into 15, that will be 15x. So right here 15x is equal to 8 3s are 24. So x is equal to minus 24 upon 15. Divide 3 8s are 3 5s are. So value of x is minus 8 upon 5. So now let us check by substituting the value of x in the given equation. So right here check. Substitute the value x upon 3 minus 8. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, that is equal to 7 upon 15. So here LCM will be 15 minus 8 plus 15. Answer will be 7 upon 15. Hence verified. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all understood doing Ma'am's class. So chapter number 2 exercise 2.1 till question number 1 we have completed. Practice all these questions at home. In the next class we'll start from question number 2 onwards. So stay connected, do like, share, subscribe the channel. Take care. Bye bye.